It is a player visiting for the inauguration of the Aero Vision Lab for the drones in partnership or facilitation from AICTE and AVPL International, an industry partner who is investing into creating these labs. So this is first of its kind initiative where AVPL International has chosen the institutions of fame. So this particular lab, I will say hashtag drones for SDGs. This drone we are taking as a tool to develop the communities at different levels pan-India. And in students who are thinking, when you say in higher education institution a multidisciplinary story, you think of any field which doesn't get emerged into the drones, maybe mechanical, maybe electronics, maybe communication, maybe designing, or their impact in agriculture, in surveillance, civil engineering, everywhere. So this is the right lab through an industry AVPL International, which will help the students of Manav Rachna and other universities where these labs are going to be opened to work on live projects, which is the need of the hour. So with these live projects, they have the opportunity to go for the internships and look into skill for employability. And if they have got any good, what you call the innovations, AVPL will be there to handhold them. As in a startup, they may come up with funding and adopt those innovations for a bigger impact.